Hello friend, welcome to Tree app. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Retic. So guys, SBI PO 2021 prelims exam is completely over, and we took some lesson from SBI PO 2021 prelims examination because SBI is a trendsetter and SBI conducts SBI PO and SBI clerk exams each and every year. And we usually see some changes in the SBI PO and SBI clerk exams. In the same way, we saw some changes in SBI PO 2021 exam this time. And whatever the changes we see in SBI exam, all those changes is completely followed by the IBPS exam. This is what trend says. So this time we can also observe some changes in IBPS PO and IBPS clerk 2021 exam if we compare all these exams with the SBI exam, because SBI में हमें SBI PO में थोड़े से changes देखने के लिए मिले, so we can easily expect some changes, same changes in IBPS PO and IBPS clerk exams as well. That's why I came with this video giving to give you an important alert, guys. If you guys are preparing for IBPS PO and IBPS clerk 2020 exam, so please keep in mind those things that I'll be discussing in this video. So let's start the video. So guys, what we saw ki different papers in a single shift. So same we can expect in IBPS PO as well. This time we saw quantitative aptitude section was quite hard as compared to the previous year. So we can easily expect this thing in IBPS PO exam as well, because your IBPS PO exam will be happen before IBPS clerk 2021 exam. And guys, what I will say for quantitative aptitude section, guys, please don't depend on the speed math questions only, like quadratic equation, number series, simplification, approximation, data interpretation. So guys, please try to solve the question as much as you can from data interpretation and the arithmetic, because these two section or these two topic will play a very important role in your quantitative aptitude section in making your score good. Because what we observed in SBI PO कि most of the student prepared the speed maths only and skip the arithmetic question. But guys, अर्थ वहाँ पर DI जो था वो ऐसा आया, नंबर सीरीज जो आया वो ऐसा आया, जो कि बच्चे सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए. So obviously they had to switch to the arithmetic portion, whereas arithmetic portion ऐसा था जो कि बच्चे बहुत कम तैयार करते हैं as far as prelims examination concerned. So guys, वहाँ पर बच्चों ने टाइम लिया. So what I will say कि don't skip any topic if you are at edge your preparation. So guys, you need to boost all the topics of quantitative aptitude section. Reasoning ability की बात करूँ guys, if we talk about the reasoning ability section, so guys कि not only you have to practice as much as you can the puzzle and sitting arrangement, but also the question based on those. बच्चे क्या करते हैं यूजुअली, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द मॉक टेस्ट राइट नाउ. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, बच्चों ने सीधा आपका पजल और सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट की प्रैक्टिस कर ली, वो बना लिया तो काम खत्म. लेकिन भाई आपको क्या करना है इस बार, यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन द पजल एंड सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट एज वेल. लाइक यू विल हैव एटलीस्ट 5 क्वेश्चन on each and every puzzle or sitting arrangement. So guys, solve those question as well and then compare your answer with the answer key. ये आपको एक काम करना है. इसके बाद talking about the English language. So guys, not only the grammar section but also the reading comprehension you have to make your part strong. बिकॉज कई बार क्या है, इंग्लिश सेक्शन जो हमने SBI PO में देखा वो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रिक आया. बहुत से सेक्शन जो थे या बहुत से टॉपिक ऐसे मैं बताऊं, चाहे वो सेंटेंस रीअरेंजमेंट हो, इवन स्पॉटिंग एरर के थे, बच्चों ने टाइम लिया सॉल्व करने में, बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आए. सो क्या करा उन्होंने, दे हैड टू स्विच द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पोर्शन. सो गाइस, डोंट स्किप द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पोर्शन. SBI PO में ये देखा कि कुछ भी टॉपिक छोड़ने वाला नहीं था. अगर बच्चों ने टॉपिक छोड़े हैं तो भाई उनको इस बात का खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा है पेपर के अंदर. तो आपको भी कोई भी टॉपिक नहीं छोड़ना. प्लीज डोंट स्किप एनी टॉपिक्स व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर IBPS PO एग्जाम, बिकॉज योर IBPS PO exam is scheduled on 4th and 11th December. So I hope you will do your best and you have taken some lesson for SBI PO.